Deep Fill Washer. Troubleshooting maintenance tips. Maintaining your GE Deep Fill Washer ensures its longevity and optimal performance. Regular upkeep can prevent common issues and save on costly repairs. Follow these easy maintenance tips to keep your washer in top shape. Regular cleaning. Cleaning your washer regularly is essential. Here are some steps. Run a monthly cleaning cycle with an empty drum using a washer cleaner. Wipe the drum door and gasket with a damp cloth after each use. Remove any detergent residue from the dispenser drawer. Leave the door open after washing to allow the drum to dry. Check hoses. Inspecting hoses can prevent leaks and water damage. Follow these tips. Check hoses for any cracks, bulges, or leaks every 6 months. Ensure hoses are securely connected to the water supply and the washer. Replace hoses every 5 years or sooner if you notice damage. Service schedule regular. Servicing can extend your washer's lifespan. Consider these guidelines. Service type: frequency, professional inspection. Once a year, deep cleaning. Every 6 months. Hose replacement. Every 5 years. Schedule regular service appointments with a qualified technician. This helps catch issues early and ensures your washer runs smoothly. Noted. If you want to know more details, you can visit this website, HelloTroubleshooting.com.